YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Whiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy. We in the sneaker dungeon, but you know what I'm saying? It's not set up, but we in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. This gonna be the sneaker dungeon. But today, before we get into the video, y'all already know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy, the Retro Whiz Kid. We're on that grind of 2,000 subscribers. Appreciate all the love and support that I get from each and every one of y'all. It does not go unnoticed. Go ahead, let's get this video up to 25 likes and drop a comment below. Y'all plan on picking up this shoe. Now, you already know, man, shout out my bro KEON, blessing us with another one. So y'all, this is going to be, y'all see the box, man. Air Jordan 11 Retro. We got the GS for y'all. So, you know, normally, I do adult size, but we doing the GS for y'all today. Here we go. We're gonna be unboxing the Air Jordan 11 GS size 7. Now these are gonna retail for $170, y'all. Let's go ahead and crack this thing open. You already know what we do on this channel when it comes to the new shoes. Ooh-wee. Smell test approved by your boy, the Retro Whiz Kid, y'all. Go ahead and get this shoe out of the box. As you see, got that quality control sticker right there. I mean, the stamp, I said sticker. And Jumpman. And let's go ahead and get the other one out of the box. Now, nothing special about the box, man. Nothing special, just regular tissue paper inside here. So, fold that thing up. Gotta keep it nice, man. This is not my pair. And bam, there it is, y'all. We got the Air Jordan 11 Concords for 2018, y'all. So I'm gonna just keep one in my hand, but we're gonna go over a couple things, man. We already know we got the Jumpman facing forward. We got the 45 on the back. That thing is nice, and actually, those actually kind of nice on these, to be honest. Those actually kind of nice on these, and these GS, y'all. GS shoe. Nothing special on the inside of these. You got your regular shoe horn. And right here, you do have that Nike Air branding on the inside of it. Very dope. I think they did a good job for this to be the GS shoe. Carbon fiber, you know how that go on the bottom. Whew, got them icy soles, y'all. These things are icy, y'all. I really like these, man. I really like the way that they did the GS. Not stitched back there, but your classic, stamped 45 on the back. They're dope, and I think that, for these to be GS, man, it's always different from the adult shoe. We know that. We know how JB does it. It's always different. But like early look at the GS pair. So y'all let me know what y'all think about these. Will y'all be copping? Will y'all be dropping? I'm pretty sure, as me and Mr. Skinny say, this gonna be another top shoe of 2018, y'all. Everybody going, you get a Concord, you get a Concord, you get a Concord. Everybody's gonna have the Concords, y'all. Now these are set to release December 8th at a suggested retail price of $220 for men and $170 for GS. And like I said, this is a GS shoe right here. So the men's are gonna look different. We all know that. Just keep it rolling. And it said, rumor has it's like 1 million pairs being made. So we know how it go, man. This is gonna be the shoe for Christmas. Everybody gonna have these on for Christmas. Y'all already know how that's gonna be. Everybody gonna have them things on. But y'all let me know if y'all gonna be picking these things up, man. Very dope shoe, very dope pickup for my bro, and blessing us to have an early look on the channel. My first early shoe in the States that I've been able to touch and give y'all a review on. So y'all let me know. I'm gonna give y'all some pictures of these. Y'all know how we get down. Stay tuned. We got the balls unboxing video I'm gonna be dropping tomorrow. Oh yeah, it's that fire, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all some pictures, man. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all follow your boy on Instagram at the Retro Whiz Kid. We on the grind of 2,000 subscribers. Appreciate all the love, support, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Get it!